Welcome to today's tech news. Huawei Enjoy 20 5G series officially unveiled. Huawei Enjoy 20 series has finally hit the smartphone space. The latest affordable smartphone series by the company has been announced with the Enjoy 20 and the Enjoy 20 Plus smartphones. The device adorns a 6.6-inch display which has a 20:9 aspect ratio and an HD+ resolution. There is a water-drop-style notch which houses the selfie camera. The notch accommodates an 8-megapixel camera for selfies. There is a square-shaped setup at the rear which packs 4 cameras. The device comes with a 13-megapixel primary camera which has an f1.8 aperture and a 5-megapixel super-wide sensor which has an f2.2 aperture. There is also a 2-megapixel sensor for depth mapping which has an f2.2 aperture. Backing the unit is a 5000 mAh battery unit with 10-watt charging support. JioFiber introduces 2 trial packs with 150 megabits per second speed and 3.3 terabytes data. JioFiber has recently revised its broadband plans in the country and now it starts from 399 rupees. The plan on the list is priced at 1500 rupees, where JioFiber is providing 150 megabits per second speed and 3.3 terabytes data for 30 days. The other plan by Reliance JioFiber is also valid for 30 days and priced at 2500 rupees, which means 1000 rupees extra. The plan gets you unlimited calling, 150 megabits per second speed, and 3.3 terabytes data per month. Poco X3 to launch in the market on September 7th. With Qualcomm announcing its new Snapdragon 732G chipset, the company also announced that the first handset to get the new chip would be the Poco X3. The new handset now has an official launch date, though it will be for a global launch. According to Poco, the new X3 will be unveiled on September 7th at 12 p.m. Facebook limits forwarding to 5 people or group at a time on Messenger. Facebook on Thursday introduced a forwarding limit on Messenger and users can now forward a message to 5 people or groups at a time, just like they do on WhatsApp. The move comes after there has been a surge in spread of misinformation around the COVID-19 pandemic and major elections in the US, New Zealand and other countries inch closer. Redmi launches new earphones in India. Redmi earphones have been launched in India with the company's new phone Redmi 9A. Redmi earphones have an aluminum alloy body and a great design. Redmi earphones cost 399 rupees and can be purchased in red, black and blue color variants. Redmi earphones will be sold from online and offline stores of Amazon India, Flipkart, and Me from September 7th. These are today's tech news.